How to make PayPal money instantly with surveys on your mobile device from anywhere in the world. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and the app that I'm talking about is Attapoll. And the beauty about Attapoll is they'll be able to offer you surveys worldwide. And whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, you'll be able to download this app and start making some money. And yes, I've done my research and Attapoll is legit. But while you won't be able to make life-changing money, when you have your free time, you can still use Attapoll and make a bit of extra cash. And what it is all about, as I said earlier, you'll be able to take surveys and you can do it on your coffee break or whether you have some spare time. And their payment threshold is very low. That means you can cash out pretty fast and you can choose between instant PayPal payouts, gift cards, or one of their other payment methods, or donate your cash to charity. And the beauty about this app also, when it comes to majority of these surveys apps, the way to make true money when it comes to these apps is to invite friends. As with Attapoll, once you invite a friend, you'll be able to earn 10% of whatever that friend makes. So if I scroll down, you can read some testimonial from people. As you can see, this app really pays. I will continue to do surveys as long as it allows me to, and I will recommend this app to many friends and family members. And you can see that this person has cashed out 3 times already, over $15. And you can see here that another person has made over $25 already. And there are numerous persons that are using this app to make money, so why not you? And you can see how much do the surveys pay. In the app, they will show you how much you get paid for successfully completing a survey. The amount tend to be higher for surveys that are looking for specific demographics or qualifications. And that is normally the case when it comes to surveys, as it all depends on the country that you're living in and also your qualification. But either way it go, with Attapoll you'll be able to make a bit of cash. So I would recommend that you download it and give it a try so that you can start making a bit of money in your free time. And if I were to tap on their affiliates link to show you how much you'll be able to earn as a referral, as I said earlier, you'll be able to get 10%. But if you're referring persons that live in United States, you'll be able to get 10% of their earning plus 50 cents. And if you're referring persons that live in the United Kingdom, you'll be able to get 10% also plus 20 cents pound right here. And in Australia, you'll be able to earn $1 plus 10 cents. And it goes down. So as you can see here, if you are living in any one of the tier 1 countries, not only will you get the 10% of the referral earning, but also a few cents. So definitely give Attapoll a try if you are looking for a way to make instant PayPal money doing surveys.